Okay, welcome to Trading Mastery Institute. Whatever that has been shared is of our opinion and not an advice for you to enter the market. Okay, we have a question from our members asking, is there any easier or simpler way to trade for intraday? Okay, for intraday, for those who want to trade, maybe you can use at H4 and M15. Okay, so over here, this is H4. So H4, what you want to see is you want to see an arrow, okay, an arrow, and the Novak flow and trend is in blue for buy, okay. But for this instant on the left is on the red, so we shall wait the next arrow over here. Okay, it closes above the blue line, and we have the blue dotted line over here, and Novak flow and trend is in blue. So once we have this, we go to our time frame of M15. So what do we want to see at M15? Very simple. So we see that at this very position, we want to look for a buy on the next candle. Okay, so on the next H4 candle over here, okay, when it opens, so it will be here. So we zoom in over here, so you will see the same thing, the Novak strategy. That is the blue dot. Novak flow and trend is in blue, and the candlestick is above the cloud, and you just enter according to the buy SOP, which is when it hits the line arrow, you enter buy, hit the line, okay, you enter buy. This one there's an arrow but it doesn't hit the line, you do not want to enter. So here hit, enter, okay, 100 over pips. Over here at M15, 100 pips, hit the line, or 80 pip, and so on. Okay, so you will continue to do a buy. Okay, so next over here at H4, we have over here, there's a sell arrow suddenly, okay? So we don't do a sell until the candlestick is below the cloud, okay? Below the cloud, very clear, and there is a sell SOP. But we must know that actually the trend is at H4 is going up, and we have to check at daily is also going up. So next, okay, what we're going to do is wait for the arrow, okay, everything is all in blue, in line. So what you do is you want to look for a buy, so over here, okay. So now we move, so meaning over here there is a Novak SOP, okay, there is a Novak SOP over here, dot, blue and blue, and there's an arrow, so very simple guys. So next over here there is another, okay, sell. Yesterday there is a sell over here, okay, but the trend is still up. So just here, let's do this. So what happened actually at M15? Okay, it is still above the cloud. Okay, Novak strategy happened, but the candlestick is still above the cloud, so we do not want to sell. So the next candle, okay, then we see that, okay, it starts to goes down. So but it is still above the cloud, we do not want to do a sell. So here, the next H4 over here, then we start to look for a sell. We start to look for a sell, start to look for sell, start to look for sell. So for today now, okay, what do we see over here? Okay, we see that the candle is below the cloud, but over here the price or the candlestick is bullish, okay, bullish. So there is no setup, but if there is a sell strategy, okay, we enter a sell. We want to do a buy when H4 close bullish and the candlestick close above the cloud. Okay, so just to revise, okay, just to revise, let me just mark over here to do a revision. Hope you guys can see. I will just make it, okay, smaller over here. Now here I will make it bigger. This one we delete. Okay, then we shall zoom out. So over here, if you can see, it asks to do a buy, an arrow with the Novak SOP. So M15, we are looking for the candlestick to be above the arrow with the Novak strategy SOP and the re-entry on the arrow. Okay, you see that the price went up. So over here there is a sell arrow. Okay, over here, sell arrow. Okay, sell arrow. We only do a sell with a confirmation when the candlestick is below. Okay, below with the Novak SOP. Okay, it's about nearly 300 pips. Then over here, as you can see, there is a buy. Okay, over here there is a buy arrow, but we only do a buy when it is above the cloud, okay, with the Novak SOP. So re-enter is follow the arrow. So that's very simple guys. So wait over here, Okay, there's an arrow over here. Then we wait for the candlestick at M15 to be below the cloud. Okay, no backflow and trend strategies here. Then just sell according to the arrow. So now, very simple, just wait for H4. There is a buy arrow and the candlestick goes above the cloud with the buy SOP. Then you start to do your buy. So I hope this short video will help you in your trading. And I wish you guys all the best and see you guys soon.